Saudi authorities have kicked off extensive preparations for Hajj 2025, with efforts underway to enhance infrastructure, security, and services for the millions of pilgrims expected to visit the holy sites. They are working to ensure that upcoming pilgrimage season will be safe, organized, and spiritually enriching for the millions of the pilgrims expected to visit Mecca and Medina. The preparations include major upgrades to infrastructure, advanced crowd management systems, and the expansion of essential facilities at Masjid al-Haram and throughout the holy areas. Authorities are also implementing enhanced security measures and state-of-the-art technology to ensure seamless operations during this peak period. Officials from the Ministry of Hajj and Umrah have emphasized that every aspect of the pilgrimage, from transportation and accommodation to health and emergency services, is receiving significant attention. Make sure, like, share, subscribe to our channel, Islamic Knowledge Official.